Hi guys, good evening, and again we are back today being Friday on to decoding of millennial mariners. This show has been doing good rounds now, and I'm happy to announce that it has come to a level where the fruitful discussion should start now. Hi Sahil, hi, how are you? XNG, hello, hi there. Good evening, guys. So, a simple thing that we named this show as Decoding Millennial Mariners because, the mariners are nowhere featuring in millennial generation, number one. We have not been given importance about our learning styles, about our, the way we are taught our professional education. So, it's a part of worry. And it is something that, we need to take up this matter with somewhere. Hi Aki, how are you? Captain Aki Sharma, thank you very much for joining. And I'm going to add Captain Devashish Basu as usual. And we're going to have our own special guest today. Again, another millennial who has finished his education and is waiting to join. Hello Suvida, good evening to you. So idea is to decode the mindset of such a millennial mariners and understand their learning style. So as last time we discussed, we have taken this videos and these learnings to the maritime training institutes in India. And as they say, you have to keep trying before it is accepted by everyone. I mean, it is something new which people are hearing. So there is probably a resistance because maritime training institutes still believe that we can train cadets, on a very usual, conventional way. And the cadets will learn on their own when they go on board ship. It's the efficiency we're talking about the training, and it's the efficiency that the cadet learns it with the minimum efforts, is taught in minimum efforts. That is what is to be achieved. So entire industry, if you talk about engineering colleges, medical professions and their colleges and training has shifted to millennial teaching and learning, where we as primitive world would say, it is still on the verge of still conventional leading. So I would like to add Captain Devashish and then our guest today, a young cadet. I've seen his lives and he's quite a interesting person. Hi
Hello, sir.
Devashish,
How are
how are
you? How are
you?
you?
So you seem
All
to be very
good.
happy today. What's the
Took my
reason for happiness?
vaccination today, and I don't know if I'm going to get the fever or not, but I took my vaccination today. So let's
First,
see.
second dose, first dose.
First. So
Oh,
I,
okay. Okay. I finished my two doses, so I'm pretty fit to travel. I also traveled once and came back, so it's okay.
okay.
So I mean, I'm quite fit to travel now.
Achha.
So
I
good.
see.
Thank you very much, Devashish, for joining. And this is again another episode of Decoding Millennial Mariners. And we are going to be joined by Cadet Sahil Akram, and I'm going to add him now. And
Yeah.
Sahil is quite a famous personality on the Insta, and as a millennial
Good
will
evening, sir.
say, "Hi, good
Hello,
evening,
how are you?
Sahil. I'm fine.
Good
How are
evening,
you
sir.
doing?"
Yes, I am absolutely good.
So good. You're back today from office early or
Yeah,
usual time?
no, no, sir, at usual time, but today it was quite early. I reached home at 4:30.
Oh, very good. Half day early.
Yeah,
Yeah?
yes, sir. Actually, today I didn't have that much of work, so I left early. So
Okay.
yes, sir.
So Devashish, he has finished his, schooling, college, I would say,
Yeah.
and he's been selected by
Yes,
BSM, and he's ready to join the ship now.
yes,
He's been stuck because of the US visa issues and things like that. But I'm
Okay.
sure the things
yes,
will be sorted out soon, and he will be on his way to the ship. And
yes, sir.
meantime, before he goes on ship, he's doing a job somewhere.
Ah,
So see the millennial trend there. Huh? I
very
see a
nice.
millennial trend there
Thank you, sir.
of not wasting time, not sitting idly, not being restful कि कुछ हो नहीं रहा है तो बैठे
Yes, sir.
रहो जब होगा तो होगा देखा जाएगा you know
Yes, sir.
so that would have been
Right.
my time trend कि कुछ हो नहीं रहा है तो सिलेक्शन तो हो गया है फिर आराम से बैठो जब होगा तो होगा यार देखा जाएगा but he's a typical millennial So he wants to be busy. He wants to be, so-called restless. So that's why
Yeah.
he's joined there now.
Yes, sir.
So anyway, just to brief you, Sahil, on this show,
Yes, sir.
the entire industry, if you see, uh, the medical professional, engineering, and architecture, other colleges, all those colleges, they have a very peculiar phenomenon of going with the trend, and they upgrade themselves quite a bit, and they also change their teaching style because they also hire a very young staff in teaching college in these colleges, in the
Yes,
professions.
sir.
So so-called millennial, the term which is being used for the younger generation now, because they have a
Right.
different traits of learning, different traits of being taught. So,
Yes, sir.
particularly in merchant navy, this doesn't happen. So this term is not featuring anywhere in merchant navy, in any of the merchant navy colleges. So we are here with you today and discussing
Sir,
about the.
Captain Tarun sir is here. He is saying that please accept his
Yeah, we'll
request.
add him. We'll add him after five minutes discussion. Tarun, just hold on for five
Okay, sir.
minutes.
Okay.
Tarun is a great friend, so we should be added. So, Sahil, so this is the code, this is the
Yes, sir.
actually show, and we have discussed so
Yes,
many
sir.
things with so many people these days. I mean, all these
Yes, sir.
earlier shows, and we have spoken to them, one of the very, prominent professors also to understand their teaching style. And what we have
Yes, sir.
understood that, though maritime training institutes are ready to change their teaching style because of for the sake of efficiency and effectiveness and reputation and things like that. But merely going online doesn't become millennial education. I'm sure
True,
had
sir.
there have not been a pandemic, we would have continued having classes, blackboard, whiteboard kind of learning, and the teachers teaching
Yes, sir.
you in colleges. But
Yes,
just
sir.
changing that medium from offline to online does not make it millennial education.
Yes,
So
sir.
we
True.
have Devashish Basu here, who's entrepreneur, master mariner, and also he's keen on developing some tools for millennial learning. So he
Yes,
will
sir.
of course elaborate as to what he's doing. And but Sahil, before going ahead, I want to ask you one simple question on which the
Yes, sir.
Devashish will probably take forward. You are a young kid yourself, and you have a different
Yes, sir.
perspective towards learning. Fine,
Yes,
I
sir.
mean, when you sit in the classroom, you also been an offline education, and also last 1.5 years, you must have done your college online. You must have seen
Yes,
that
sir.
difference, and of
Yes, sir.
course, there are advantages, disadvantages of all the education systems and medium. But to ask you a very peculiar question, that you have seen the trend changing from offline to online, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
there were limitations in offline, there were limitations in online, right? Both things were happening. So, which is the
Yes,
best,
sir.
which is the medium you like most? I mean, we all tend to get in the eye of professor because they're tall figures,
Yes,
and
sir.
somebody is a captain, so and so teaching you, or a chief engineer, so and so teaching you. So we try to get impressed by their presence and their nature and then talking style. But tell me, effectiveness wise, do you think at any point in time online education was effective, more better, more conducive for your kind of younger generation?
No,
I
sir.
mean, just to ask.
Not at all. Not at all. Like online education is not that much effective as offline one because the biggest thing which is attention, sir. Okay. In offline class, you have the attention towards teacher. Okay. Uh, okay. Maybe you are not having 100% attention, okay, but at least 50 or 60% attention you will be having in offline class. But where in this sorry, in offline class you will be having 50 to 60% attention. But when you come to this online class now, the biggest problem with us is that we are in home, okay. So when guys will be joining the classes, like when we'll be attending, our mother will be ki beta jaake ye lekar aa ja, theek hai. Some outside noises will be there. Even we also know that we don't have that much good connection, sir, theek hai. We will be losing connection in between, theek hai. And the biggest problem which I faced with me was like we guys didn't had any books, theek hai. So we just had those PDFs, and even those were provided to us after 5 to 6 days we had this online classes, because we were in the campus and suddenly this thing started, so we were sent back home. So all our notebooks and everything were at the campus. So the biggest problem which I faced was this books wala problem. Okay, you don't have the books, and you also know, like if you are opening this nautical almanac, so you particularly know you have to go to this page. But agar abhi yahan pe you are on PDF, so you have to scroll down, 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 down. So it takes too much of time. So I don't prefer this online education, because the thing with us is that our attention span is so low. कि like earlier we guys used to read books, ठीक है, but now we are going to small things like from books we have come to YouTube videos, now we have come to this 15 seconds reel. तो हमारा जो attention span है वो बहुत कम हो चुका है, ठीक है. So because of that online learning I won't suggest, मतलब offline is best.
Okay.
Yes,
Devashish,
sir.
your comment.
Yeah, I actually agree with Sahil here because I mean the word online and offline is it brings a certain style of teaching in our minds. You know, immediately when you hear online, you see those PDF formats which you have to scroll, and then you have to do something. Which is absolutely, I totally agree with Sahil that if I was in his position, I would have been bored. And we still have to do these courses. It's totally not now. Now, what we are now in online education, if you think about how it is being used in other industries and how they are doing it, has gone by leaps and bounds. It has gone to another galaxy. And
Yes,
we
sir.
are still thinking that when we say online, we will get a big sort of educational list to run through, which is totally bull. I mean, for lack of a better word, I mean, it is just because the tool is there. You know, if I give you a knife, you can either make a beautiful carved structure out of that, or you can start fighting with the knife with someone else. You know, it's an instrument. There are so
Yes,
many
sir.
instruments given to you. Now think of the concept like you want to learn about a new app, let's say, okay?
Yes, sir.
So let's say you have installed an app like Twitter. You have never used Twitter. Now, the Twitter makes it so easy for you to understand how to use. Even if you have never
Yes, sir.
used Twitter, even if you
It's very
understand
user friendly.
not much, you don't have to understand too much of technology, or you don't have to be really tech savvy. Even the older generation people, if they start using it, the app itself will tell you one by one, okay, now you put in your phone number, now you put in your email address, now you put in your
Yes, sir.
name. And finally, you will see that you know how to use it without thinking that it is education. That is also a kind of education, that they are trying to teach you how to use their app. Now, if you think of technologies which we have, as you rightly said, we go to YouTube now. We go
Yes,
to
sir.
these 15-second reels. You know how effective this is, these 15-second reels, to teach you something about the ship. It's unbelievably effective. But
Yes, sir.
that is a brand of online education which we are trying to promote, which we are trying to come through, which will completely change the way we look at training. You know, when you say training, even you have never been on a ship, right, Sahil?
Yes, sir. No, sir. I've just completed my DNS.
You will see that even not just here, even when you go to the ship, when you think of online training on the ship also, or so-called computer-based training, people do it, and I have no inhibitions in saying this. People are doing it, masters and officers, everyone is doing it because it's a requirement, because they have to do it. It is not that anyone is enjoying that education. Now, how can we make someone enjoy the education? If you hit that particular nerve, obviously there has to be a good amount of research behind it. Making something simple is very difficult.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just to make a concept simple, just to make something simple, for 3 years, we had to research behind with psychology, with a lot of just not knowledge. Knowledge was always there and it is still there. But unfortunately, people don't think about the way that we consume knowledge today. Today, if I want to, like the other day, I was saying that if you want to make biryani today, you get a 5-minute tutorial. You don't have to go for a
Yes, sir.
cooking class. You
Yes, sir.
watch for 5 minutes, you know what you have to do. Similarly, any knowledge can be broken down in that form so that you can digest it. Now, if you go to
Yes,
a
sir.
ship, you will be going through so many courses. each of these courses are the idea behind the course is very good. It is very useful.
Yes,
You
sir.
have to know that. Like tomorrow, if you join the ship and next day there is a fire, you have to know what to do, right?
Yes, sir.
And the firefighting course is trying to teach you that. Now, some just like some professors in class. Let me just finish this point.
Yes, sir.
Just like some professors in class are interesting, and with them you are on your toes, you learn a lot. Similarly, some professors are not so interesting. Similarly, there is a right way to use online training and there is a wrong way. So it is a very, very unfortunate thing that we somehow make a comparison between online training and offline training. That is not the right comparison. The
Yes, sir.
comparison should be, you know, the best way how we can use the online training to keep your interest. If I can make you interested, even for 5 minutes, whatever I say, you will consume. If you are out, you will not consume anything. That is normal for
Yes,
anything.
sir.
So that is what we are trying to do over here. Create that brand of online training. And that is
Yes, sir.
a big difference from what you see now. And I don't
So
blame
that
you
is
for
what
doing both.
exactly, yeah, true. That is what exactly I said. I mean, merely going online or merely using internet for or transmitting the course material does not become a millennial education. Millennial education is that which takes into account the learning habits. Now, suppose you rightly said, Sahil, about attention span.
Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
the online education has done more harm to students learning because it is a
Yes, sir.
fixed time. I mean, you got to join the
Yes,
class
sir.
at 8:30. I've delivered many lectures online, and I'm still delivered at
Yes, sir.
IIM these days. So when you do that kind of thing, the class is at 3:30 in the afternoon, and 3:30 to 4:30 or quarter to 5 for 75 minutes, and the students have to be logged in at before I log in, and they have to be ready. So there's a fixed time, and that is what people don't like because that you may not be a learning at the best learning time in the afternoon. You may not be a
Yes,
best
sir.
learning time in the early in the morning. You may not be a best learning time late at night. You know. So basically, what the I mean, this kind of education tools, which will give you a free time. When I want to learn stability, I open a video or a module based thing or a game of a stability and I start playing with that and I say, okay, fine. I understood this concept now. Now let me see next. What is next? Okay, I want to learn
Yes,
meteorology
sir.
now. अच्छा weather है, बारिश हो रहा है. I can see a lot of cumulonimbus clouds in the sky. And let
Yes,
me
sir.
see now. Let me study meteorology. यार बारिश कैसे होता है? How is the
Yes,
humidity
sir.
changing now? And then you learn meteorology. So you're
Yes, sir.
basically your own time. So online educations really doesn't help this kind of thing.
Never, sir.
I've seen some of the institutes like morning 8:30 to afternoon 3:30, 4 o'clock. They had complete classes,
Yes,
one
sir.
after the other, one
Till
after the
4 or 5
other.
class. Yeah.
Yeah, till 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Then there's some extra classes. There's some, and
Yes, sir.
teachers also are like, delivering a lecture very monotonous way. There's no fun. When I still crack jokes in my IIM classes, people keep wondering, कि अरे वो last वाला ने एक joke नहीं crack किया था. ये क्यों इतना
Yes,
joke
sir.
crack कर रहा है? I mean, so people tend to, do that kind of a thing. So absolutely right, Devashish, what he's saying. It's not a comparison between online and offline. But what has happened is the students have faced that. Like people like you, Sahil, have suddenly
Yes, sir.
shifted from offline to online. So that has
That
been
is the
something,
very,
Sir,
that
you
is the
know
very,
what?
sorry. Go
What's
ahead, go
the
ahead.
biggest thing? Like I have seen, like you are having a class till 8 o'clock. Okay. Now you are the teacher. You know the student is logged in, but you don't know what the student is doing. He might
exactly.
be sleeping. He might be writing your notes. Okay. You don't know what he is doing. Might be he is using Instagram. Okay. Class
Yeah.
background में चल रहा है and he is using Instagram. So we don't know what's going on. So that's the biggest problem. Even with me, I'll tell you, when my class used to start, तो starting के 15-20 minutes I was like ठीक है पढ़ना है. But उसके बाद I used to get bored, like क्योंकि ऊपर से notification is coming, side से message is coming, from here mama is saying ये कर दे. So there are a lot of things, sir. And even
And
I live in a city, ठीक है? I have some friends who live near border, ठीक है? So the biggest problem with them was they don't have that good connection. So I have one or two friends in my batches, those who didn't like attended classes. They hardly used to attend these classes. And when this COVID thing started, so that time everything started from home only, classes from home, from home. So that time we good network. Like I'll tell you my own experience. My internet used to get off in between. Okay? It used to take 15 to 20 minutes to get restarted. Okay? So I used to like lost 10 to 15 minutes of my class. उसके बाद class में आता तो many of the things were there which I was not able to understand. तो बहुत there are problems in the this online classes. Sir.
So now this brings to a very important point which you said, Sahil, that
Yes, sir.
if you are restricted in a sense that if you do not attend a class, let's say you have a chain of information. If you don't understand number one, and that you cannot understand number two. You have to understand number one first, then only you will
Yes, sir.
understand number two, then number three, number four, and all. Now you have understood number one, number two you have understood. Number three, for some reason you have missed out. And you are in the class of number four, then you have to be on the class of number five, and nothing is stopping for you. You missed
Yes, sir.
out, but no one
Yes,
is
sir.
going to stop the sequence. No one is waiting for you. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
instead of that, if you what do you think if we design a system where you have the information which you need to know anytime at all. Let's take a comparison
Classes
here.
are recorded and then they are available in a library type.
Much better than that. I'm not
Yes,
talking about that. Is also a very old system of recording the
Yes,
exact
sir.
things. Then this is of course like in college you take notes and you
Yes, sir.
you know, compare the notes. Even we can do much better than that. Much better
Yes,
than
sir.
that. But I'm just talking about the concept over here. I'm not going to the
Yes, sir.
details. We are working with those kind of things. But what I'm trying
Yes,
to
sir.
say here is that today there is a need where you have to educate people Netflix style. What is Netflix style? You don't have to be in a certain position to watch a particular episode. You can watch it
Yes, sir.
anytime you want. You can watch it in the middle of the night if you want. You have
Yes, sir.
missed episode 8 of Game of Thrones doesn't mean that you will miss the whole story. You whenever you have time, you watch episode 8 and then you can binge watch and whatever up to
Yes,
the
sir.
time where your attention is there. After that, you want to go to sleep, you go to sleep. But then
Yes, sir.
that information will never be lost. That information is we are sort of with today's modern training tools which we have today, the technology which we have. We did not have this technology 5 years back. So this discussion, what we are having now, may not
Yes, sir.
have been possible 5 years back. The
Yes,
idea
sir.
was maybe there, but today we also have the opportunity to do it. Let's take a very, very real example. We are doing a lot of discussion about like how it should be, how it shouldn't be. Just take a very real example. Now, let's say Sahil, you have completed
Yes, sir.
your studies. You have done all the theory classes and probably have understood 60-70% of it or 80% of it.
Yes, sir.
Now you want to go on a ship. You have never seen a ship, right? So
Yes, sir.
being on a ship is like driving the car for the first time. It's a different experience. It
Yes,
is what is the thing? What is the biggest doubt you have or what is the biggest challenge you think or what do you want to know right now? Let's say, I mean, before you go to the ship, what do you
Yes, sir.
think you should know? What is that information you should know about the ship?
I should know like taking out compass error, lights and shape, sound signals I should know, and ROR rules, stability, and all these things. So
Now, when you join the ship,
yes,
your
sir.
answer will completely change after a month. If I ask you the
Yes,
same question after 1 month on the ship, you will give me different answers. You're giving me very theoretical answers right now because this is
Yes, sir.
exactly what you have learned in your college. You know the
Yes,
theory.
sir.
Now you have to go and practice on board. When you
Yes, sir.
join a ship, your answers may be something like, I never thought that time could be so important. So I learned the importance of how to manage my time, how to
Yes,
do
sir.
so many things in a short span of time. Now, what I'm trying to say is the experience is different. The priorities on the ship is different. People over there
Yes,
are
sir.
not there to teach you. Then let us be
Yes, sir.
very clear about this. They will teach you. Part of their job is to teach you, but they are there to do some other jobs, and you are acting as an employee over there. You are part of a big machinery over there.
Yes, sir.
Whether you know how to take compass error or not is your problem. But if
Yes,
you
sir.
cannot do that job which has been assigned to you, working for someone else, working and getting paid for that teaches you a lot
Yes, sir.
of other practical things. Now, if I like, I'll give you a very simple example. I joined a shift for the first time, and first day I was given a job which has nothing like what I learned in college, or absolutely has no relationship. And I was expected to not only do the job, I was supposed to perform and deliver. Not like someone is teaching me, and maybe someone showed me for 5 minutes and then that person went away. So what I'm trying to tell you is that ship is a different ballgame. If I ask you after 1 month of joining the ship, you will say that the theory stuff is all good, all okay, and that is
Yes, sir.
definitely going to help you. But there are a lot of practical aspects. If you so what if we give you a mechanism, a tool, or an app, for example, which
Yes,
is
sir.
going to sort of help you hold your
Yes,
hand
sir.
from the
Yes, sir.
college to the ship and give you an idea. So these are a lot of things we can do about it. So we have to
Yes, sir.
hit the real challenges of which the seafarers are facing. We just can't carry on the same way and expect things will be better.
Yes, sir.
If to create bright officers, smart officers.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. I mean, what, I mean, see, it's only a transition from your classroom to the practical education now. And offline
Yes,
has
sir.
really, given a good practical education to you. Online has not. I mean, you can't even see a full-bodied professor who's teaching you.
Yes, sir.
Forget seeing the
Yes, sir.
equipment. And if I had to explain about magnetism, I can show you a diagram of a magnetic compass and how those spheres are and how the finger bars
Yes,
are
sir. Yes,
placed
sir.
and all that. That's all. But unless if I take you to a place where you in the institute you have a magnetic compass,
Yes,
and
sir.
you are really seeing, अच्छा ये होता है यार गोला वाला, तो इसको घुमाना पड़ता है यहाँ
Uh-huh.
वहाँ, इसमें क्या होता है?
Yes, sir.
इससे क्या होता है? How does it? I mean, though it is at second mate level or third mate level, it is a very I mean, thing of anxiety or amusement. Magnetic compass and magnetic compass construction and all that. But for a mates and masters level, it is a subject by itself.
Yes, sir.
Even it will affect them because they are also millennials. The today's chief astronaut board are millennials. When we go by personality traits, of millennials, of having lesser attention span, the online education with no practicals has really killed the entire education. And that is
Yes, sir.
why, as I was telling Devashish Basu last time, if we could prepare some kind of a demonstration software which will help this of online educational students who have had the education in last 1.5 year only online to prepare them for company interview, you know, and then they would realize, oh, how much it has helped me. I mean, though I had a 1.5 year of online, 1.5 year of offline education,
Yeah.
and I'm now preparing, I'm losing the touch of practicality. I don't have a practical experience. I've not been to the college in the last 1.5 year. How would I stand confident? Forget asking questions and you answering the questions and bookish questions and how will you behave on board and how will you work on board and all those normal things I already covered in one of my lives. But what I'm trying to say is, how will you feel yourself confident that I can answer a question here? Now I see the
Yes, sir.
lot of
That's a
cadets, they
very
ask me
good
a lot
one.
of questions. Somebody was talking to me yesterday. He said, "Sir, I mean, he was he appeared for synergy examination, and he wanted to now, he might get selected. So he says, कि, sir, मेरा interview होगा. तो सर मैं तो college में नहीं गया हूँ. Like he has done his entire DNS in last 18 months at on online. So he said, sir, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता है. I mean, how do I answer a few questions? But because they are not going to ask different questions to DNS, different to BSc, different to some, pre-C training person. The questions are going to be set because the person asking, people asking for a question are same people. I mean, they are the people who are captains and chief engineers asking you technical questions, asking about safety, asking about soft skills on board, interpersonal relationships. But you haven't met your peers, you haven't gelled with your gang, you have not met your friends. How would you answer those
Yes, sir.
questions? So Devashish is really trying very hard to,
Yeah, yeah.
create that kind of
I'm
a
already,
program,
I'm already
which
coming up.
will,
Yeah, we are already creating that. And based on your
Yes, sir.
suggestion, Gajanan,
Yes, sir.
based on your suggestion, we started on that project already. It will take a couple of days, but we will give a very, very concise and precise instruction on how to face an online interview.
Look,
So
I'll
that
tell
is
you
another
example. I'll tell you example. Recently in the IMO model competition, about the onboard training, which happened in IMO
Yeah.
campus test. I was there attending that this thing, because I was a guide for the Calcutta College for the Marpol thing. So there are a lot of suggestions came on one of the suggestions which came about digital, training record book, for the cadets. Okay, TRB or TAR, whatever you
Sir.
call it,
Yes,
cadet
sir.
record book. So
Yes,
digital.
sir.
So I happened to meet that the people who were presenting and the cadets who were presenting. I mean, they are second year boys of engineering. So I asked them, what do you mean by digital one? I mean, what is your concept of it being digital? So he explained me, sir, it should be online, and it should be filled up online. Master can also put his remark online. Again, that is not the concept. When you talk about digitalization, last time Captain Purnendu Shaurya was here with us, and we were discussing about something. He said that digitalization is so much into it now, like Captain Basu was also explaining last time. Like there's a checklist, right? You have a checklist on board. I mean, you may not have seen it, but all ISM International Safety Management System on board
Yes,
vessel
sir.
has to identify the operational issues. I mean, the operational procedures on board, and those procedures are to be broken down. So to avoid the human error, they are explained or they are made to check for the officer in charge in a form of a
Yes, sir.
checklist. Okay. Now those checklists, they have 15 points, like dropping the anchor, 15-point checklist. The few things are always same and they always stick. And the third and second occasion or fourth occasion, fifth occasion, officer on watch doesn't even read it. So he knows first five are always yes.
Yes, sir.
Is the windlass power available? है यार बोल दिया इंजन को दे देगा वो है ना. Is your whistle working? हाँ, is working. है ना. Is the person wearing PPE? हाँ, wearing PPE. तो ये जो चेक होता ही नहीं है ना. So the important points for that particular anchoring, get missed out. What is the depth of water? What is the scope of the cable? How would you head the vessel? How is the planning being done? Do you have a permission? Do you have a permission from port control to anchor at that particular point? All those points never get checked because you waste a lot of time in initial tick 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 tick. ये तो कप्तान का है, ये chief
Yes,
officer
sir.
का है, ये वो देख लेगा, ये देख लेगा, and the checklist is rounded up. That is why we don't have a control on human error still. ISM is there for 1996. I was a part of the ISM
Yes,
too
sir.
in Univan. I used to go and establish ISM on board. 95, 97, chief officer that time, 95, 96, 97, 98. All 4 years, I was only part of the ISM crew, hopping the one ship from other ship to this ship to that ship, and only preparing files and preparing training people. So that has not stopped accidents. Accidents are still happening. Wakashio still happened. Express Pearl
Yes,
still happened. Even after having 14, 15 years of ISM, and more than that, 25 years of ISM, and there are numerous books on decoding ISM code. The checklists have still not stopped the human error because they are not taken into consideration what is practical, what is practically required on board. The checklist may be specific. So exactly at that point in time, when Devashi is saying, when I requested him, we need to prepare something which will not only make the digital tar book in digital format, PDF format, Microsoft Word format, no, or being transmitted by internet, no. That's not the idea. Idea is that when you are to go on board and do your safety familiarization in 24 hours time, it should take you down the entire ship's path digitally. And there is
Yes.
something called as mind mapping. I don't know, you must have heard this. We have read this, heard this term in school. My daughter always tells me about mind mapping of this subject and this chapter. We don't use that thing at all in Merchant Navy. Like you must be thinking, if you're sitting in the plane now, you're joining a ship tomorrow, suppose.
Yes.
You're sitting and you're thinking, how will the ship be, yaar? How will the chief officer be? कहाँ क्या नाम है? Sharma.
Yes,
Is
sir.
he from UP or Rajasthan? कहाँ का होगा ये? है ना? कप्तान कौन है? अरे यार करण शिखर. अरे बाप रे बेकार आदमी है यार. ये खतरनाक आदमी होगा. है ना? उसको फोटो देखते डर लगता है. I mean, you are trying to only, trying to, I'm just trying to make some jokes.
Yes, sir.
So idea is that, but instead of that, if you are given a digital map of a ship, you would probably be able to study and, visualize it. mind mapping.
Yes, sir.
Mind map the entire ship yourself before joining. That will only help
Yes,
your
sir.
learning so faster. That will only make you familiarized.
True.
This is what happens in airline crew. How airline crew can take the one aircraft after the other aircraft or the other aircraft. They have 8 hours duty. They can hop in 3 flights of 1.5 hour, 2 hour duration. Why? It's simply because the identical aircraft, identical procedures, identical
Yes, sir.
systems, identical people, identical behavior, they greeting. What changes? Only passengers. And that is a very minuscule content of the entire railway operation of managing passengers. Very minuscule. Rest
Yes, sir.
everything is system. So they have different people checking ground stuff. They don't shout about checklist because they don't check those points again and again. There's somebody else checking for them. इन शिपिंग
Yes,
जो सी
sir.
चेकलिस्ट का नाम लिया तो साला पब्लिक ऐसा एकदम आंग पे आ जाएगा अरे क्या चेकलिस्ट तुम इंट्रोड्यूस करता है यार यू अगेन इंट्रोड्यूसिंग ऑन चेकलिस्ट आई डोंट इवन नो चेकलिस्ट
Yes,
इज
sir.
इंपॉर्टेंट but what kind of checklist, how it is made, how it is checked, that is very important. And that we have to shift that way to millennial way. That is
Yes,
the
sir.
way of doing a job in millennial. I mean, Devashish will
I
explain this better. Go ahead, Devashish.
Yeah, absolutely. I agree with all the points over there. It's about the approach actually, and actually, Sahil, you know what?
Yes,
For a
sir.
long time, see, there is one way. One thing is the content of what we are trying to teach the juniors, or this is the content
Yes, sir.
which comes from a lot of experience, which comes from books and a lot of things. But the other thing is the way we are teaching. Now, that way we are teaching, the person who is very good in the content not necessarily is a good teacher because the way he or she is teaching may be not very effective.
Not. Yes, sir.
So, for being effective for a long time, which we have not done, is that we should go back to the people who we are trying to teach, like you. How do you want to? What are your ideas? And when I say your ideas about teaching, I mean I'm not asking you right now. You don't have to give me an answer right now. I'm just saying
Yes, sir.
that if you are allowed to freely think that okay, I want this would be a good idea, but I don't know how to design it. But this way of teaching would be good for me because I think I will understand it better. Now, this feedback from you, if it comes to someone who is into the field of teaching,
Teaching.
the technology is there. If you can imagine it, the technology is there. You can tell me any imagination, almost anything. Some may be a little more expensive, some may be a little
Yes, sir.
less expensive. But the technology is there. I'm telling you from my own experience because what we do as a company, my company NavGuide Solutions, what we do for a long time, I have actually gone to junior officers and even cadets for them to give me idea of how they visualize something, what makes them feel interest. What There are a lot of psychological aspects behind every training method. It is not
True,
just
sir.
information. If I just give you, if I write 5 points on a book and show you, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is not teaching. This is an imparting information.
Mm.
But
Yes, sir.
if I want you to learn, if I want you to actually learn something, I have to go your way. So I have to basically ask you first and even imagine something which maybe you also cannot imagine. Then I show you that is it going to be interesting if I give you like this. For example, we have a very simple game which you play on your mobile and you learn about something very critical on the ship, which is for a very senior level engineer. But
Yes,
when
sir.
you play it, you're playing a game. You are not thinking that you're doing a course. This is
Yes, sir.
exactly the opposite of what the kind of courses we have today, or most of, I'm not saying all, a lot of companies are working and thinking in this manner. For example, as Captain Gajanan said, our idea of creating the digital tar book, if we were to create an online system,
So, but
yeah,
this
Yeah, go ahead.
digital wala, many companies are following it. Anglo has given a tablet to their cadets, and they are having this digital type one, sir. So many
correct.
companies are implementing all these things because instead of carrying all these big five, 3, 4, 5 books, you can just carry a normal tab, and like it will help you a lot.
No, that is
So
one point of it. That is one part of it. But
Yes,
if it tells you,
yes,
so I'm reading a book.
yes, sir.
You know, I mean, you
Yes,
read
sir.
a book on the, I don't know if you read, Kindle Fire. You know, when you read a book on that, so it is subject
Yes, sir.
as one particular, persistent. So one word is there. So you just click on that
Yes, sir.
word and it'll open another window and it'll give you the meaning of it. Now,
Okay,
suppose
okay.
that book, whatever digital book is there, I mean, it is in digital format, nothing else. Real digital
no,
is
I
that,
know what it is.
real digital is when you see anchoring procedure and it really takes you
Yes, sir.
down to the windlass, takes you down how do you open brake, okay, anti-clockwise. Before that, what do you ensure? You need to ensure whether your brake is tied properly. Whether you need to ensure all those things are properly done.
Yes, sir.
You know,
Yes,
then
sir.
you need to show that the Guillotine bar is not there. Otherwise, the chain will get ever stuck. You know.
Yes,
Then
sir.
the thing is in gear first. Then you slowly open the brake and see the brake is really opening or not. Practically. So all those things,
See,
where a book shows you that will be very
Yes,
interesting.
sir.
I just want to make a point here, as Captain Gajanan just explained the anchoring, the part of the anchor. You might be having a diagram, and you might be knowing the parts of an anchor in total.
Yes, sir.
What he just said, when you go on board, you will understand the importance of this fact that sometimes, even if you have a gear, even if you have a brake, it might not fully open. So this is something you actually realize from experience. And obviously, when you go there, when you go in front of the anchor, you're trying to push that, guillotine bar up, and maybe it is very heavy for you. So you need two people. So it is not like one finger operation when okay, you understand theoretically, this is how the leverage is here. So you have to put pressure here, so it will go up like this. But to do it, the pin might be frozen over there, and you might need a long time to take out the pin before you take out. What am I talking about? How does which pin am I talking about, or where is the pressure that you have to give to make it easy? All this is
Yes,
your
sir.
practical experience. But what I'm saying is, instead of, what a sort of modified digital education or sophisticated digital education, what that can do is that we can give you a very real feel of what is happening. Still, you will still have to do it. I'm not saying you will just see something and then you will become an expert. No, you still have to do it. But before you go there, you will understand a lot of other practical considerations, which is very, very difficult through, a book, or if you have to, like, for example, if I want to imagine this. I don't know how to open this pen. Okay, this is a pen. I have never used a pen, and I have never seen a pen. I'm confused. How am I supposed to write with it? It doesn't seem to have anything to write with. So how am I supposed to now imagine explaining someone how to operate the pen in text format? You write and write and write and write. But one
Yes, sir.
second you just show this is how you open the pen, and now you can write. It takes a second to show, but it takes a huge amount of effort to. So that is those are the concepts that digital education can bring in, and it makes it
Yes, sir.
much more interesting and effective. That is what we are trying to work on. And as he rightly said, I do not know
Yes, sir.
how the Anglo-Eastern tab book is designed. Honestly, I cannot comment on that, because
Yes,
maybe
sir.
they already have these designs, or they already have incorporated. Have you seen it, Sahil?
No, sir. No, I haven't seen it yet.
No, it's a tab,
I have
sorry,
just
not
heard
tab
about
book.
it.
He has got a tab with him.
It's a tablet, and
It has
inside
got the
that the
books
book
like
is
Dantes
installed.
is there in that, and there'll be probably a
Okay.
Graham Dantes Stephenship book will be there. There could be a book on meteorology, and Captain Subramanian's books will be there in that. So people don't have to carry the huge, I remember when I was second mate, and when I went to Taiwan once, so I had one bag full of only books, and
Right.
I love stability. So, I had 11 books of stability. I mean, nobody must have, when I came for my mates, after that time, we had no college for mates and all that. So I had studied my stability from Lister's book. And Lister's
Yeah.
book is one of the topmost book in the world today for stability, those days also. So
I
when I
see.
studied from there, I could solve any problem of stability. Even now I can solve. Even it's been almost
Yes,
25,
sir.
30 years now. But still, why? Because, I mean, that's what he's saying. People don't have to carry so many books because unnecessarily weight is there. And then again, chances of getting lost. So that is a good
Yes, sir.
concept of having a digitalized book. But there has to be a step ahead. Anyway, we are reaching our 45 minutes limit now. Sahil, thank you very
Yes, sir.
much. I believe you gained
You're
something and
welcome,
we
sir.
gained from you
Yes, sir.
as to
Yes, sir.
about your experiences on the listing. Please do share in case you have any new ideas,
Yeah.
because you see what happens is you will suggest something without a fear, because you're not
Yes,
seeing
sir.
what. So you will tell कि यार इस ऐप में तो ऐसा होता है, चलो फेसबुक में ऐसा
Yes,
होना
sir.
चाहिए था. We always say that ना कि फेसबुक
Yes,
में
sir.
शेयर बटन क्यों नहीं है ना? तो शेयर बटन आ
Yes,
गया,
sir.
है ना? तो ट्विटर में earlier only 140 characters were there. People used to
Yes, sir.
complain, why only
In a
140?
tweet. Yes, sir.
Yeah, in 140. So
And
so
a lot of and
it increased now.
and this is a very interesting thing for me to do. Just a small point I want to make, that there was an experiment. It was called the marshmallow experiment. If you see,
Yes.
there are many marshmallow experiments, but this particular one which I'm talking about, there were some management students who were given 20 marshmallows and a set of toothpicks, and they had to make
Okay.
the biggest, tallest structure using these toothpicks and marshmallows.
Yes,
Same
sir.
job was given to a kindergarten, kids from kindergarten. So 20 kids from kindergarten and 20 MBAs. They don't know that they are competing against each other. Now, every time this has been repeated, and every time the kindergarten won, because they simply did not know that this was a big problem or something. They started doing something. And
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
maybe sometimes, yeah, but the MBAs, it has been seen, they were given 1 hour. For 50 minutes, they planned and they sort of draw the diagram without touching the marshmallows. And when
Yes, sir.
finally they had 10 minutes and they tried to make some structure as per their plan, and it fell down. So the thing is, sometimes even someone who's apparently inexperienced can come up with something brilliant because he doesn't have the
Yes, sir.
option. So that is what we should encourage more.
No, I have a live example for this. I mean,
Yes, sir.
Savita, for a pilot data competition, I'm telling you,
Yes,
the
sir.
first 25 papers are amazing papers. Okay, they are same
Yes,
ideas.
sir.
Naturally, you can't expect them to have different ideas, but there are 10 top ideas which we selected, 10 top 10. I mean, they are absolutely, we think that, yeah, how can you have an inflatable ladder here? I mean, have a already, why can't you have? So when we had a evaluation
Correct.
committee meeting, I am telling you open on this thing now. When we had a committee meeting, there are 6 pilots, who have got 20 plus years experience. Everybody, I mean, they are ex-harbor masters. They are like, people who are private port pilots for last 20 years, And then the concept, when we are reading the paper, the concept was of having an inflatable pilot ladder. Inflatable pilot ladder. Oh, and then everybody said, "Ki, how is it even thinkable?" I said, why can't it be
Yes, sir.
thinkable? Tell me. I mean, let's discuss. Let's argue about it. And we all 6 of us, and myself 7 and another 2 cadets, core committee member, we argued on it. And finally he said, yeah, the step will collapse. I said, all those things can be made. The next page of the paper, the cadet was explaining center of gravity, how the pilot center of gravity will shift because it is inclined angle. You see,
Yes, sir.
he has someone thought about it. कि inflatable ladder अगर ऐसे चढ़ेगा आदमी तो गिर सकता है. So it was a slant like a staircase. The staircase can be deployed
Yes,
for
sir.
the ship. It will have a different
Yes,
pump. It will have a pneumatic pump. It will have a non-electrical
Ye-
pump. He had
Yes,
given
sir.
the entire calculation in his next 5 pages. And,
Yes, sir.
and I was only thinking he has put in an effort of putting his idea across to us. Now we must give him a
Yes, sir.
chance to explain this to the world.
Yes, sir.
It may be it will look like a stupid idea and people will say कि pagal hai yaar ye log. Never mind, let them say pagal. Steve Jobs was called pagal only earlier. When you started with computers and things like that.
Yes, sir.
And as I think someone commented that we are our biggest the biggest enemy of our generation is social media, which is because the social media giants, Facebook, Google, and all these social media giants, Twitter, Instagram, they are spending billions of dollars to make it interesting for you. There is
Yes,
no
sir.
reason. There is no reason why we can't do the same to make it interesting for you, and so that
Yes, sir.
you get hooked onto this instead of thinking of it like another boring training. So there's a lot of things we can do. So I mean, this is an open. Ask your followers to follow my Instagram feed as
Sure,
well.
sir.
And
Yes, sir.
not why I'm saying is that we are encouraging and inviting ideas, just ideas. You don't have to think of technicality. You don't have to imagine why or how it has to be, it can be done. I cannot tell you
Yes, sir.
so many times we have we have started with an idea and we knew it could be
Yes, sir.
done. We have worked reverse engineered from then back to how we could do it. We did not know initially how we could do it. We started with
Yes,
the
sir.
idea and then we reverse engineered that to make the entire process. We have done this many times. And I can tell you, if you have a good idea that this is how we should do this and it will be more interesting, we are already working on some of those, but we are inviting more. So more and more
Yes, sir.
ideas.
No, very rightly you said, Devashish. I mean, I was about to announce that next Tuesday and Friday, we're going to add 10 random people on this talk show, and I will
Yes,
add
sir.
them for 3 minutes, not more than 3 minutes, because 10 is 30 minutes. For 10
Yes,
minutes
sir.
introduction, 10 minutes closing, and we just want to ask them to explain in 3 minutes how do they want to learn things. Taking a technology advancement, and we will of course
Yes,
write
sir.
them down the suggestions. So this is also for all the viewers, and of course I will highlight this particular part of the video as to next
Yes,
Tuesday
sir.
and Friday, 2 days, we will get in random people and ask them what are the ideas on going not only digital, but basically
Yes,
going
sir.
IoT for the education of millennials. Internet of
Okay.
Things. So
Yes,
let's
sir.
explore that. And thank you very much for joining, Sahil. I know you're a busy
You are
man and you're
welcome, sir.
working hard.
Yes.
I have a
Thank you, sir.
lot of liking towards you because of your, I mean, forget your fan club in the face. I mean, the side. I'm not too fan of that, but
Yes,
you
sir.
are the person. When you told me you are doing a job, I'm really impressed
Yes.
with that kind of
Thank you,
hard
sir.
work you're doing, and I'm sure you'll do very well in your life. We're always
All
there
the
to
best.
Thank
help
you, sir.
you. Anytime you want to fall back for anything personal, professional,
Yes, sir.
just give us a call and I'll be there
Sure, sir.
definitely.
Sure. Sure, sir.
And Devashish,
Yes, sir.
thank you very much again to you as well
Thank you, sir.
for doing this show this time. And next time we will change the pattern and we will get more ideas
Sure.
from people. Yep. Thank you very
Right.
much.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Bye bye,
Thank you,
viewers.
sir.
Thank you for joining,
Bye
and
bye,
we
sir.
appreciate you joining. Thank you so much. And next Tuesday and next Friday, we will have a different show, same time, 8 p.m., but in a different style to invite your ideas about how you want the education to be digitalized. Not only that, but how it should be made, into a format that you understand better. Thank you very much.